water don pass garri. Wetin country people take know you? Your title name in this country wey keep mouth like letter kio. Are you pillars or caterpillars? Alright, shebi we want democracy. Abi na dem dey crazy wey we want. Government by the people, for the people, without sense of belonging and common voice. No freedom of speech. Campaign don shele. Which party you dey so? Christian People's Party, CPP. Power to the people. Na Jesus wey we sabi. Religious Political Party, RPP. Power without Bible. Na man-made doctrine. Gospel according to Satan. GAS. Gas. Dress and come as you want. Receive your new anointing. Anointing what? Babalawo anointing. Hypocrisy Political Party, HPP. Power. Brethren for church. Troublemaker for yard. Secret Society Party, SPP. Power to the people. All money na money. SIN. Sin. Satanic in nature. MIC. Made in China Christianity. Yahoo Political Party, YPP. Power to the people. Viper generation. God will punish you now one day very soon. Party, PSP. Power, it is my life, not yours. Traders without shop Political Party, TPS. Power, small grass where they cross boundary, go sell for another person shop. Fake drug Political Party, FPDP. We care, God will cure us, but your children they chop foreign medicine. 419 Political Party, FPP. All money na money. Movement for Masquerade Festival, MMF. Our culture is not demonic. Waiting it be. Delilah, PhD. Pull him down. HIV, hunger induced vision. Fake prophet, HIV, hunger miracle induced vision. Well for Kai man, where the Adam Indian hemp to go join the baptism. The kind of marketer they determine who go come by. Many crayfish waka wife go born mother like daughter like mother. That thing where children they run outside go see where I don't see am tete from window. Mother pig been they plan how you go deliverance of the mouth when small pig come laugh am. Mommy, lipstick mommy, your mouth no gonga. Ikutu chai. The mama pig lap the pikin pigs like Chinese woman, clap in hand for air, gather in wrapper, concentrate am for her angle. My children, oh, no worry. Now only time you go take, everybody go get big mouth. Oh boy, with time you go see wetin I see inside sin. Contia race, enter born again.
For sure.
No dey market, you no go know the imitation. Now gossip about the church and pastor, you dey. Because many native doctors today don't wear suit and microphone, tie trouser for body, they shit water pupu inside church. Wetin Jesus no do for Bible? Wetin dem dey use before tie charm and ojuju inside shrine? Now wetin dem dey use tie prayers inside church today? Tomorrow innocent pastors go dey pack pupu where another person shit. Jesus no dey take padlock and candle and chain and sword work for somebody head. Good pastors still dey. Pastor Babalawo, God will punish all of you well for me, either now or over my dead body. Wetin people take know you? If everybody be like me, how our society go dey? Answer yourself. Abuja, the whole world go vote where they draw Bible. Don't sell your vote. Wetin dey shele? Una dey fear? No fear them. Jehovah is our INEC chairman. Angel Gabe and Mike. Na them be the returning and presiding officer. Jesus will win again. Second the tenor of his second coming. No leaking, no talking, no hooliganism. Avoid any violence and any garagara wey go land you into hellfire. Don't be party to violence. Don't allow any church politician implicate you, because they will never use their own children do any talk and garagara.